We hiked to Davao's mini Asik-Asik Falls located in Toril, and here's a quick guide if you want to visit this place. If you have a car, yes, there's a parking space at the entrance before trekking to the falls itself. Along the road lang siya, so expect na di ganun kaganda yung parking space and there's a small parking fee. But if you're going to commute, just negotiate with the tricycle drivers from downtown Toril. Malayo-layo siya and kinda rough road, kaya 100 pesos per person yung charge sa amin. From here, we trekked for 20 to 30 minutes to the falls and easy trek lang siya. May mga person na nag-o-offer ng guide sa entrance if you don't know the trail going to the falls. Mga locals yan sila. May cottages for rent and may sari-sari store din dito for light snacks, but I suggest you bring your own food. And syempre, if may dala kayong food, itapon nyo na rin ng maayos yung mga basura nyo. Sobrang lamig dito and ang ganda ng view. Sarap mag-chill, catch up with friends, and babad kadali sa sapa. We went here during the weekend, so medyo marami-raming tao, pero siguro if weekdays kayo pupunta, konti lang siguro yung mga taong bumibisita dito. We only went here for a day tour, so pagka 2 p.m. bumalik na rin kami ng downtown Toril. We spent approximately 5 to 700 pesos per person, pero mas makakamura siguro kami if may dala kaming sasakyan. Hope this short vlog helps on your mini Asik-Asik Falls day tour.